Where were you born?
In Scotland.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Why are you learning English?
Because I need it for my job.
When did you start learning English?
2 years ago.
How often do you have English classes?
Twice a week.
Questions about Rowena.
Where does she live?
In North London.
Who with?
With her husband, David.
What does she do?
She runs an art gallery.
What's she doing at the moment?
She's preparing a new art exhibition.
When and why did she come to England?
She came to England in 2006 to study law.
How long did she study law?
For 3 months.
How much money did she borrow from the bank?
£25,000.
How many children does she have?
She doesn't have any at the moment.
Why is she excited?
Because she's going to have a baby.
Whose or whose?
Whose phone is ringing?
It's mine.
Who's calling?
It's my brother.
Who's on the phone?
I'm going to the pub. Who's coming?
Whose coat is this? It's not mine.
Whose are all these CDs?
Who's going to Tina's wedding?
Do you know whose glasses they are?
Questions about you.
What do you like doing in your free time?
Do you like listening to music?
What kind of music do you like?
What did you do last weekend?
What are you doing tonight?
What are you going to do after this lesson?
How many languages does your teacher speak?
What's your teacher wearing today?
Listen and compare.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like being with my friends. We go to each other's houses and chat.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, of course. I have an iPod.
What kind of music do you like?
I like all kinds. Rock, jazz, pop. But the thing I like best is listening to my dad's old Beatles albums.
What did you do last weekend?
It was my mum's birthday, so we all cooked a special meal for her.
What are you doing tonight?
Nothing much. I want to get an early night before the weekend.
What are you going to do after this lesson?
I have a bit of shopping to do. Then I'm going home.
How many languages does your teacher speak?
Only English. She says she's going to learn Italian next year.
What's your teacher wearing today?
A very pink jumper and red trousers. Not a great look.
Listen and repeat.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Excuse me, is that seat free?
No, sorry. I'm afraid it isn't.
Social expressions.
Good morning.
Good morning. Lovely day again.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, about 9 in the coffee bar.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
Thank you very much indeed.
Don't mention it. My pleasure.
I'm sorry I can't come tonight.
Never mind. Perhaps another time?
Can you help me with this exercise?
Of course. What's the problem?
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you. Sorry I'm late.
It doesn't matter. You're here now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to your new job.
Conversations.
Good morning.
Good morning. Lovely day again.
Yes, it's really warm for the time of year.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, about 9 in the coffee bar.
Fine. 9 is good for me too.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. Thank you very much indeed.
Don't mention it. My pleasure.
It was so kind of you.
I'm sorry I can't come tonight.
Never mind. Perhaps another time?
I'm free tomorrow night. What about that?
Can you help me with this exercise?
Of course. What's the problem?
I don't know what this word means.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Yes, let's meet after class.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you.
Thanks. Are you doing anything special?
Sorry I'm late.
It doesn't matter. You're here now.
Yeah, I missed the bus.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to your new job.
Thanks a lot. I'm excited, but a bit nervous.
My oldest friend. Kenny talking to Judy.
Kenny, I see you have more than 300 friends on Facebook.
Amazing, isn't it? I don't know how it happened. I think it's because my job takes me all over the world and I make friends wherever I go.
I travel too, but I don't have that many friends.
Come on, Judy. I'm your friend. That's one friend at least.
But what about close friends? How many of the 300 are close?
I have no idea.
No idea. More than 10? More than 20?
Probably no more than 10 really close friends.
So, who's your oldest friend?
That's easy. Pete's my oldest friend. Since we were both 16 and he came to my school. He lives in Canada now, but he was best man at my wedding and I was best man at his.
How often do you see him?
Not often. Maybe once or twice a year. I went over to Canada last year when his son was born. Do you know he named him Ken after me?
Hey, that's lovely. You and Pete are really good friends, aren't you?
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
It's our love of football.
Don't tell me. He supports Liverpool too.
Of course. Best team in the world. No, seriously, the best thing about Pete is that maybe we don't see each other for months, even years. But when we get together, immediately we're talking...
About football.
No, about all kinds of things. Our families mainly. He's a great guy.